Select from an array of hourly hotels, overnight hotels, service apartments, homestays and villas and resorts. Explore new benefits and claim unbeatable deals. Find trending properties across top cities in India. Charming houseboat stay, hill resorts, exotic beach stays and whatnot. We are pioneers in offering stays with pre-booked food. Get thoughtfully curated wellness treatments and swim in the infinity pool. A great option for leisure, business, family trips and so on. Download Bag2Bag Android and iOS apps now.